Hi, this is Kylie and I'm delighted to tell you that registration for One Badass Art Journal 2025 is now open. And I have an early bird discount code for you and also news of another offer. I'll tell you about those in just a moment, but details will also be down below in the description box. But first, let me tell you a little bit about it. One Badass Art Journal 2025 is hosted by T.R. Smith, and the theme this year is Discover Your Inner Badass. Sign up and you'll get lessons from 17 badass teachers, including myself. You'll learn badass mixed media techniques. You'll gain loads of confidence, creativity and inspiration, and you'll learn great tips and tricks that you can use over and over again. You play with a variety of tools and you'll be adding to your own skills, and you'll get to experience beautiful colour combinations, blending techniques and lots of other techniques. You will be making badass mixed media art journal pages. So come and join us and discover your inner badass. So if you use my link in the description box below, you can save 20% by using the coupon code BADDIE at checkout. Now you must enter that code at checkout, BADDIE, in order to get the 20% off. But there's a bonus. If you sign up before December 31st, 2024, you will also get TR's 2017 Badass Lessons totally free. So that's 5 additional lessons for free. So the coupon BADDIE will last to 31st of January 2025, but to get that bonus you must sign up by 31st December 2024. So classes begin on February the 3rd. I really do hope to see you there. So remember, use my link in the description box, enter BADDIE in the checkout to get your 20% off, and sign up before the 31st of December to get the bonus lessons, TR's bonus lessons. Hope to see you in class. Bye for now.